In this video, I'm discussing how you can get into the recruiting industry with no college degree. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. While college can be important and life-changing to a certain extent, it's not the only way in order for you to achieve success. And in terms of recruiting, a college degree is not necessarily required in order for you to be successful in this field. Now, if your goal is to go into agency recruiting or even corporate recruiting, then it is important to note that many of those companies are going to require that you at least have a minimum of a bachelor's degree. And while both can be lucrative routes for you, it's important to note that they'll come with their own set of limitations as well. On the agency side, you'll have a lower base salary, but you'll get paid a percentage of the first year earnings for the candidates that you're actually able to place. And this strategy can be very lucrative if you have a lot of requisitions to fill. However, you're still working for someone else, and because you don't have 100% control over the number of requisitions that you get, you are limited in the control that you have over your full income potential. Now, on the corporate side, you can get paid a fairly decent base salary, and you'll focus on filling roles just for that one company, which can range from a few requisitions to a lot of requisitions. But you'll still receive the same consistent amount in terms of your paycheck, no matter how many requisitions you have or how much work you're doing. And ultimately, the pay raises do tend to be minimal, as well as the fact that you're still reporting into someone else. With this stated, it also puts you in a position where your income potential is limited. The ultimate way for you to break into the recruiting industry with no degree and get paid substantially is to start your own recruiting agency. And in order for you to be successful as a recruiting agency owner, you'll have to possess many of the skills that are required in order for you to run any kind of business. You will need to be able to communicate both in writing and verbally. You will need to be structured, strategic, have the ability to solve problems, customer obsessed, have the ability to assess talent, have the ability to discern whether a client is good or bad, organized, proactive, have good time management skills, and the list goes on and on. But as you think through that list, the skills that I listed that are considered to be fundamental in you being able to start your own recruiting agency are things that you can learn without a college degree. Now, of course, going to college can help to refine these skills to a certain extent, but you do not necessarily need a college degree in order to possess these skills, and ultimately you don't need a college degree to actually be good at them. And for the things that you don't know, you can simply outsource the work. For example, accounting or social media management for your business. There's this huge misconception out there that you have to be good at all things in order to run a successful business. And the truth is that many business owners are successful because they were strategic enough to know what they weren't good at and then find the expertise or resources in order to fill that gap. So if you're watching this video and you're someone out there who did not take the path of earning a college degree, then that is okay. Don't let a piece of paper serve as your only form of validation that you can be successful at starting a business. You are more than capable of following your dreams, honing in and refining your skills in terms of being a successful business owner, and ultimately being able to launch a successful recruiting agency without having any type of college degree. Now, if you found this video to be helpful and want to learn more about recruiting, then I encourage you to join my Facebook group. I'll be sure to leave that link down below in the description box. As well as if you have not subscribed to my channel already, then I encourage you to do that as well. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.